everybody knows how, sometimes nerve-wracking job interviews can be. Sometimes how scary, especially if you're unprepared. There's nothing worse than going to a job interview and not knowing what to expect, okay? So I just wanted to talk you through just a couple of quick tips that might help you in your next interview. The majority of job interviews these days, they tend to go by what we would call a competency method. So the employer that you're speaking to is likely going to ask you a question on the lines of, tell me about a time when, or, tell me about a time you did this, or how did you accomplish something like this, okay? Those are the types of questions you're going to get. And the best way that you can narrow down your answer to give the most effective answer possible is by something called the S.T.A.R method. What that basically means is situation, task, action, and result, okay? And what I mean by that is, obviously, situation, set the scene, okay? So obviously, you've been given something to do, to tell the employer about what it is you had to do. The task, obviously, again, similar sort of thing, what specifically did you have to do? And then the action, describe exactly what your part in the role was, and then the result is what your action or how your actions ended up affecting the overall outcome, okay? So again, bear that in mind. So it's situation, task, action, and result. If you sit down and think about things that you've done in the past, if you don't have much employment experience, you can use work experience history, personal history. If, for example, I don't know, if you're like a coach of a football team or something like that, and you've got examples of times where you've had to do things to help the team run and things like that. You could sit down and think of examples under the situation, task, action, result theme, okay? So if you just remember S.T.A.R, you can't go wrong, okay? Best of luck and looking for work.